In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the language on WhatsApp back to English from any other language. If you accidentally change the language on your WhatsApp to a language you do not understand, don't worry, it's easy to switch it back. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on the last option, which is Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down and tap on the globe icon, which is the option to change language in WhatsApp. All you have to do next is select English from the list of available languages. Once you have selected English as the app language, your WhatsApp will be back in English. Now you can navigate through the app and understand all the options easily. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.